A Russian Garin 2 unmanned aerial vehicle delivered a precise and devastating strike on a Ukrainian oil depot in Chernihiv, a critical fuel storage facility, targeted and destroyed. Even on the front lines, centuries-old Easter traditions remain alive and meaningful. Soldiers received holiday treats during their lunch breaks, a small but powerful reminder of home and faith. For those stationed at the very front, logistics services took on a special mission. The gifts were delivered by drone, ensuring every soldier, no matter how far forward their position, could celebrate this important holiday. A Russian FPV drone delivered a direct and precise strike on a diesel locomotive in Kherson, dealing another calculated blow to Ukrainian railway infrastructure. This strike is part of a sustained and systematic campaign conducted by Russian armed forces, targeting Ukraine's critical rail network. Trains, diesel locomotives, repair facilities, and associated infrastructure continue to fall under increasing and relentless strike operations, as Russian forces work to degrade and disrupt the flow of supplies and personnel moving through Ukraine's vital railway corridors. Hello friend, welcome to today's fresh footage. Russian reconnaissance spotted a route used by Kiev forces combat groups near Izbitskoye in the Volchansky district. The target appeared shortly after. An FPV drone operator from the 11th Army Corps of Group North locked onto a Kiev forces pickup truck carrying personnel and delivered a swift and decisive strike. Garin kamikaze drones carried out a precise double strike on the 150 kilovolt electrical substation at the central coal processing plant in Kryvyi Rog, a calculated and devastating blow to a critical industrial and energy infrastructure target. A land robotics platform successfully towed a 122mm D-30 howitzer weighing over 3 tons, a remarkable demonstration of unmanned ground capability. Now imagine this same platform carrying a FAB 3000 bomb and delivering it directly to an enemy position. The possibilities are devastating. The crews of the Dnipro task force's boats supply Russian troops on the island with everything from food to ammunition, while also conducting troop rotations and evacuations. During a recent mission, one crew came under attack from 10 enemy kamikaze drones. They remained calm, engaged every incoming threat, and destroyed them all. Concealed behind a smoke screen, they pressed forward and completed the mission. Closer look at one of Russia's most capable and formidable armored assets, the T-80 BVM main battle tank. Seen here from the Russian perspective, this combat-proven and heavily upgraded platform stands as one of the most powerful and technologically advanced main battle tanks currently deployed on the modern battlefield. The T-80 BVM, featuring advanced reactive armor systems, upgraded fire control technology, and enhanced engine performance, represents a significant evolution of the original T-80 platform, refined and modernized for the demands of contemporary combat operations. From its reinforced armor protection to its formidable main gun capability, every aspect of this tank has been designed and optimized for battlefield survivability and combat effectiveness. Seen operating in the SMO zone, the T-80 BVM continues to demonstrate its value and capability as a critical component of Russian armored ground forces, a machine built for the battlefield, engineered for resilience, and proven in the most demanding and unforgiving combat conditions of the ongoing conflict zone. the operators of heavy hexacopter systems known as Mongas, serving under the Vostok military group of the Russian armed forces, continue to deliver high-explosive fragmentation ammunition OFSP 2.5 directly onto Ukrainian armed forces' stronghold positions in the Zaporizhia direction, each strike precisely calculated and methodically executed as the Mongas operators systematically work to degrade and dismantle enemy defensive lines and forward operating locations across this critical stretch of the active conflict zone. A closer look at one of Russia's most powerful combat aircraft, the Su-35S multi-role fighter jet, a fourth-generation plus platform featuring advanced avionics, supermaneuverable flight capabilities, and a diverse and devastating weapons payload. Equipped with long-range air-to-air missiles, precision air-to-ground strike munitions, and an advanced radar and targeting suite, the Su-35S engages targets across multiple domains with speed, precision, and overwhelming effect. From high-altitude strike missions to close air support operations, this remarkable aircraft continues to demonstrate its versatility and combat effectiveness, playing a critical and defining role in Russian aerospace forces operations across the active conflict zone. A fiber optic drone camera documents the aftermath of recent combat operations in Dobropoli, Donetsk People's Republic. Multiple Ukrainian armed forces vehicles, captured on footage, destroyed and rendered completely out of action across the contested terrain. The imagery telling a clear and undeniable story of the devastating effectiveness of Russian strike operations in the area as the situation in Dobropoli continues to develop in Russia's favor.